8 cities, 8 kitchens, and 1,000 tiny moments in between. From sun to snow, spice to silence, we found balance where it had been all along. This is the taste of homecoming. In Austin, we learned to soften fire with stillness. Orlando brought us light and laughter. Richmond taught us the beauty of slowing down, and Rapid City showed us that gratitude is the oldest spice. Alaska whispered stillness. Hawaii flowed with gentleness. Puerto Rico danced with resilience, and Oregon grounded us in quiet wonder. Every meal, every moment became a prayer. We ended under the California sun, where warmth met purpose. Ayurveda reminded us that nature isn't something outside us. It's what we are made of. Air, fire, water, earth, and space, each one shaping how we feel, eat, and heal. Indigenous wisdom taught us that food is a relationship, a promise to give back, to honor the land, and to cook with gratitude. Together, they form the heartbeat of this series, a reminder that healing doesn't rush. It ripens. Science calls it nourishment. Ayurveda calls it balance. Elders call it a blessing. Whatever name you give it, the truth is simple. Food can be medicine if we let it be sacred. Warm foods calm Vada's wines. Cooling herbs ease Pitta's fire. Light greens awaken Kapha's roots. The body knows the season. The soul just needs the reminder. To every friend, farmer, and teacher who shared a recipe, every elder who offered a story, every moment that reminded me of why I began, thank you. This series was built from your generosity. The Cozy City series was never about destinations. It was about remembering what connects them. Gratitude, rhythm, and the courage to keep cooking through the seasons. May your meals be slow. May your roots be deep. May your heart stay soft through every change. Bend, root, breathe, and welcome home.